Numbers have been getting a lot of flack over the course of this program, so I would like to make the case in a presentation that numbers are better than letters. So I've got a number of reasons. The first is numbers do more with less. There are 9 numbers, 9 base numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you might have heard of them. On the other hand, there are 26 letters. So that means there's 288% more letters than base numbers. And what are they doing with it? Well, according to the Oxford English Dictionary, there are 171,146 words currently in use in the English language. And how many numbers are there? I don't know, infinity. And for those thinking that maybe there's 10 base numbers and that 0 is a number, 0 is not a number. 0 is a concept that basically just means nothing. It means there's no numbers. That's a concept that letters don't have. There's no letter for no letters. You know what I mean? To communicate no letters, you need way more of them. You need, like, no letters at all, not even these ones. Ignore these ones. 0's doing all that just in one symbol. Numbers are modern. When you're in love with someone, in the olden days, you sent them a letter. Nowadays, you ask for their number. Numbers have gravitas. If you count numbers backwards, 10, 9, 8, it means something huge is happening, like a rocket's about to be launched. If you say the alphabet backwards, it means you've been accused of drink driving in the United States. Numbers don't have this hierarchical thing where the first one is, like, bigger than the rest. Like, you would never see this. Numbers don't do this. Numbers are even. They're egalitarian. They're Australian. No one likes numbers more than letters themselves. Letters are obsessed with numbers, and you see this when numbers are used in places. So, like first, for example, the ST, they finally get a chance to be next to a number, and you can tell they're excited, you can tell they're shy because they get all small. There's bias against numbers. You can put letters up on a screen and no one cares, but you put numbers up and everyone freaks out. Like, no one cares about these letters, but you put the numbers up and everyone's like all angry about it. When societies challenge numbers, it does not end well. The Romans famously tried to change numbers into letters, and look what happened to them. They stopped existing more than M years ago. Numbers win even on letters terms. The famous game Scrabble. This is the most word game there is. Even by the scoring in that game, letters is beaten by numbers easily. Numbers are better than letters.
Tom Caston, everybody!